Okay, so I got here. Furnace is running, house fan is running, the fan for the flame box is running here. I can hear it. So I'm gonna turn it off and turn it back on. And while it restarts, I'm going to. But yeah, there's no heat in it. While it restarts, I'm going to take off this panel. Here we go. Pretty simple. And I'm just waiting for it to do what it does. I don't see anything going on. If you take off this bottom panel, it'll shut off. But this one, okay, so you can't see it now. Let me turn the light on. But that's the hot surface igniter right there. Let's see if I can get it to focus on it. Oh, you see it kind of flash there? So it appears to me that hot surface igniter is not doing anything. You can check the continuity of it too, but it's not firing up. I'm gonna just pull out my meter and check the continuity.